Oh no, looks like that drain's being real naughty. Yep, okay, looks like you got yourself a bucket there, bub. Okay, you're running the water there. Okay, nice. And a plunger in there. Oh. It looks like that water's going down. I see a little bit of a swirl going on there. Can't believe how naughty this drain was. Oh, looks like that drain is flowing really nice now. No longer naughty. Okay, you keep the Hampshire flowing.
'Tis the season to be clogging. Fa la 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 la. Pesky clogs are what we specialize in. Fa la 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 la. Give us a call and we'll get you flowing. Fa la 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 la. Off to the next call, I'm now going.
Oh, jeez. Don't quit your day job.
See you out there. Merry Christmas.